Hello my friends, and welcome back to our channel. Home is where our heart is. My name is Dane, author of the series of books Knowledge to Forage. I hope you're having a beautiful day wherever you are in the world, and thank you all for joining me here today, where I'm absolutely blessed to be spending my morning out collecting elderflowers. Elderflowers are beautiful wildflowers that grow on the elder tree. They're edible and have a fantastic floral flavour. Today I'm collecting these to make one of my personal favourite recipes, elderflower lemon curd. So if you're interested, then come with me. We'll collect some elderflowers, take them home to my beautiful wife Stelly, and we'll learn how to make elderflower lemon curd. Now firstly, before we eat the elderflowers, we have to make sure that we can correctly identify them. And the good thing is elderflowers are super easy to identify because they grow on umbels, which means they look like an umbrella like this. They have a creamy colour, and each flower has 5 little petals. And when you smell them, they smell of that pleasant elderflower scent. Now, the tree itself is very unique too because its bark is light brown and it's squidgy like cork. So if they grow on umbels, smell beautiful, and the bark is squishy like cork, then we know that we've got elderflowers. So now we've collected, I'd say, about a bouquet of elderflowers. Let's take them home and turn them into lemon curd for Stelly. And we're home with Stelly.
Hello everybody! We are going to make ourselves some easy peasy elderflower lemon curd with this beautiful bunch of elderflowers that Dane brought home for me. Hey Bruce!
I want my orange juice.
You'd like some orange juice? Okay, I'll get you some orange juice. Smell these flowers. For this recipe, the first thing we're going to do is make ourselves some elderflower syrup. You will need a bunch of elderflowers, some sugar, some water and a lemon. We're going to start by chopping off our elderflowers, just getting the flowers only and leaving as much of the green behind as possible because the green's a bit bitter. And we're going to be quite gentle with our elderflowers. We're not going to wash them. We've left them outside for all the bugs to run away for about 20 minutes. And the reason we're not going to wash them is because we want to keep all that lovely smelling elderflower pollen that gives it all its flavour. Chop your lemon into slices. We're using the lemon now to help preserve our elderflower syrup. Add in 500 ml of water. Stir it all up, pop a lid on, bring to the boil and simmer for 15 minutes. Been simmering 15 minutes. Ooh, and it smells amazing. I'm going to strain out the flowers and the lemon. Add 1 cup of sugar and stir it up. We're going to bring this to the boil and simmer for half an hour with the lid off to let all the water evaporate and our syrup to thicken. Here's our lovely elderflower syrup. It's been simmering for 30 minutes and I'm going to show you a cool test to see if it's done or not, how thick it is. So put a little bit on a cold plate, wait for it to cool for a few seconds, and then we'll tip it up. Lovely. Now the elderflower syrup is all infused and delicious, we're going to pour a little bit into the glass with ice and treat ourselves to a delicious elderflower cordial. Add some sparkling water. Cheers! Now we've made our elderflower syrup, we're going to make our elderflower lemon curd. For this recipe, elderflower lemon curd, you'll need your elderflower syrup, some butter, lemon, lots of lemon, and some sugar and eggs. Add 1 cup of sugar to a saucepan, half a cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice, add it to the pan, add 1/4 of a cup of elderflower syrup. Bloop, bloop. Bloop, bloop. Add in your elderflower syrup, mix it all together. We're just going to heat this really gently on a low heat. We're not going to bring it to a simmer, but we're just going to warm it all up so it can mix in together. Add 3 eggs into a jug. 1, 2, 3. Plus the yolk of 1 egg. Whisk them up. Now we're going to temper the eggs. So if we just poured all our eggs into our warm elderflowery sugary syrup, they would curdle. So we're going to do about 1/4 of a cup of our warm elderflowery syrupy mixture. Pour it in to our eggs and whisk it up. Egg tempering. Who knew? There we go. And we'll do this 3 times. So our eggs aren't scrambled, and we're going to pour these into the rest of our mix. Mix it all up. We're going to add in 3/4 of a cup of butter. And we're going to melt that really gently on a low heat. Once the butter's melted, turn the heat up a little bit more and keep stirring until it all thickens into your lovely lemon curd. Now it's thick and gloopy, pour your lemon curd into a jar. Now we're going to pop it in the fridge to set.
It tastes like lemonade.
So there we have it, our delicious elderflower and lemon curd. How is it? Taste test time?
Delicious.
Delicious? Is it your favourite recipe?
Elderflower lemon curd is my #1 favourite elderflower recipe.
Yeah, it's so nice. Hi Noah.
Delicious.
Would you like some too?
You can't have none of this, I'm afraid.
Not for you. Oh, bless him.
As
So
always,
sweet.
people, it's been a pleasure. Excuse me, I'm trying to eat elderflower scones.
If you'd like to find this recipe in a written format and lots of more information, check out our book, Knowledge to Forage.
Yeah.
And also have a look at our follow along foraging. So you'll be able to get all about trees this month.
Yep.
We're learning all about trees.
This month we're learning about trees, so subscribe to our follow along foraging to receive our monthly educational subscription packs.
It's starting to really rain.
Oh, it's starting to rain!
British weather.
It's been a pleasure, and we'll see you all next time.
Peace.